Hello my channel followers, I hope you are well, healthy and happy. Today I will present you a new and very special video. We will see together through this video a very special group of the latest home tools, ideas and simple new tricks, which helps us to exploit the small spaces that we have at home and in the kitchen. We will also see smart organizations, inventions and inventions that help us organize and arrange our home, which you will see for the first time in Hiba channel around the world, which no housewife can do without, or any woman or any bride who prepares herself, hopes that she will get these tools easily. That's why I will tell you at the end of this video how you can get these products and tools easily. Before we start talking about all the things that are in this video, and how we use it and benefit from it, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I hope you will join us. This is by pressing the subscribe button and activating the notification bell to receive a notification of each new video when it is uploaded to the channel. While you are watching this video, if you like the tools that were presented in this video, I hope you will press the like button. And if you do not like the tools that were presented in this video, you can press the dislike button. So let's start our video. Here we have this 3-layer home organization. You can organize a large number of eggs and put them in the refrigerator or in the kitchen. This organization keeps the eggs and helps you organize and arrange. Here we have a carrier or a connector for the kitchen's lids. You can hold the lids, halal and hot kebabs, and it will keep your hands from the heat because it is insulated. This is a plastic-made dishwasher. You wash vegetables and fruits in it and also drain it from water. This is an airtight container for storing meat, fruits, vegetables, beans and fruits. And it will be available in the refrigerator and freezer area and also easy to use. Here we have a small sponge that you can use to clean the carpet, mirrors and kitchen floor. And you can also squeeze it from the water very easily. This is a jug with a juicer and a syringe that you can use to clean the floors. And it will save you time and effort and also easy to clean and wash. This is a device that is powered by electricity and can be used to cook all foods and boil eggs with steam. Here we have an electric boiler that you can use to make coffee, tea and boil water. And the nice feature is that it is foldable. You can put it in a bag and take it with you anywhere. And here we have a coffee maker with a tray and a serving tray. Available in many colors, choose the color you need. This is a layer of fruit consisting of 3 layers, serving fruits, sweets and candies. And here we have a sticker in the shape of a rose. It will make your house beautiful. And here we have this beautiful device that you can use to organize all your personal necessities such as makeup and jars. And it will help you organize and organize. And here we have this beautiful device that you can use to organize the spoons and cups. And you can use it to organize your jewelry. And here we have this beautiful device for shoes. You can organize and arrange your shoes. And it is also available for space. And here we have this charger with a battery that charges the phone as fast as possible. And it will be clean if the charge is complete, and you can take it with you anywhere because its size is small. And here we have this beautiful brush with a special color, and there are many colors of it. Choose the color you like. And this is a rose-shaped brush available in many colors. Choose the color you need for your house, and it will make your house beautiful and special. And here we have the electric vacuum cleaner that you can use to clean the beds, carpets and furniture. And its size is small and easy to use. And here we have this washing machine to wash the soaps and underwear and dry them at the same time. And also its size is small and does not take up space in your house. And here we have this device to arrange and organize the shoes and keep them. And it will help you to arrange and organize and make them stick better. And this is a lock for the bedspreads, and it is also easy to clean and install. And this is a shower curtain with a lot of colors, and it is with a cover to keep the water temperature in winter and cold in summer. If you like the tools shown in this video, I hope you support me and support the channel by pressing the subscribe button and like. And if you have any questions, you can write to me in the comments section and I will answer you as soon as possible. Come with me now after we have seen all the products in this video. And we have shown how we use them and benefit from them, and in fact they are practical and inexpensive tools. And you can benefit from them in many different ways and make your daily life and work at home easier. I will continue the video to the end so that you know what you need for your home and kitchen. And after I talk to you about all the things you need to know in this video, it is time to talk about the ways we can easily get these products through them. And through Chinese websites such as Alibaba, AliExpress, Amazon, Banggood. And the prices of these products are different depending on what you need to buy. Or through Facebook, you will write home appliances and there are big sellers who have these products. You can contact them and get these products in exchange for a symbolic charging expense. As for the charging expenses, Alibaba and AliExpress are a little expensive depending on the place you are in. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it to receive all new, God willing,